What's good, everybody in the building, man? It's your boy Tony D2 Wild checking in once again. We are back on Tech 2 Wild. I know it's been a minute. I owe y'all an apology for disappearing, but trust me, when I tell you where I've been is way more interesting than where I went, right? So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tony. I run Tony D2 Wild. I run 2 Wild Guns and a couple of other pages as well. You know, over 800,000 subscribers on the main channel. I almost got 150 over on the gun channel, and I've been doing this content thing for over 14 years. But this video isn't about sneakers. It's not about guns. This video is about what I've been building behind the scenes that honestly has changed the way that I work and the way that I think and the way I run an entire business. So for the past couple of months now, I've built an AI team, and not like I use ChatGPT sometimes. I mean a full team of AI agents that work for me, talk to each other, and run real operations every single day. Now, let me show you what I'm more so talking about. So it all started back in January of this year. I've been using ChatGPT for a while, writing, brainstorming, somewhat of a little bit of scripts here and there, the usual stuff that everybody does. But then I stumbled upon something called Openclaw. And Openclaw is a framework that lets you run AI agents locally, like on your own computer, not in the cloud, not paying someone else to host it, your machine, your models, your data. Now, you can also utilize it via the cloud as well, and I do utilize some of those models via the cloud as well. And the first thing I did, though, create was a guy by the name of Kai. Now, Kai is my main AI, my right hand. Think of him like my executive assistant, strategist, and second brain all rolled into one. He runs on Claude Opus, which I mentioned as a cloud model, and he's one of the most capable AI models out there. And he's not just answering questions, he's making decisions, he's delegating work, he's organizing my entire operation. Once Kai was up and running, I realized one agent wasn't enough. I needed a team, so I built one, and Kai helped me build that one as well. I've got Donnie, who's my VP of operations. I actually named him after my grandfather. He takes the strategy from Kai and turns into execution for the most part. He manages the rest of the team alongside with that. Me and Kai do the ideas, Donnie runs the operation. Then there's Maya, who handles the research and the intel. She's scanning the trends, pulling the data, finding opportunities. Jada is my writer. She does sometimes helps me with scripts, sometimes with captions, hooks, email copies, things that I might need polished up a little bit more. So I try to do this where I stay, as organic as possible, but I have a team that sits there and helps me making sure things are polished and done better and not as sloppy as always. And I try to keep things raw and uncut still to the point, and they know that. They know how I operate. Dex is my publisher. He handles posting pretty much everything on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, not yet on Instagram or YouTube, but possibly down the road. I have him working via Hootsuite, and he helps me with scheduling. So if I have something I want to actually put out or schedule a whole bunch of tweets, I tell him what I want, it gets done. Then I got Cruz, who's my engineer. He runs on a local hardware right out of a 3090 graphics card, completely free, zero cost whatsoever, and I'm running him on a local model that got out recently, which is Quinn 3.5, 27B, 9B, and also I have them sometimes on 4B. And then they all talk to each other. Kai delegates to Donnie, Donnie assigns the work to the specialist, and then they execute and then report back. It's a real organization structure. And I literally wrote a command doctrine for how they all operate, like an actual corporate document with commands and paths and escalation chains, quality standards. These are not toys, these are infrastructures. Now, this is where things get a little crazy. I'm not just running this in the cloud by crazy API builds. I built a compute fleet with 5 machines networked together. I have my Mac Mini as the home base of all this. That's the gateway that routes everything through there. I also got an old 3090 PC, an RTX 3090 with 24 gigs of VRAM. That's running a 27 billion parameter model locally, completely free, and that's where I utilize Cruise. And I just recently got what I've been running for a minute now, my RTX 5080, and that thing is a speed demon. It's running a 35 billion parameter model at 75 tokens per second. Then I have my MacBook Pro that I utilize a lot. It handles a second compute, which runs my iMessaging integration and also works with other models as well. And I just added another gaming laptop. These are all laptops I just had sitting around my house. that I just like, oh, this has been sitting here, this has been sitting here, and it's been put all together, right? These 5 machines, which is the MacBook, the Mac Mini, the 4080, the 5080, is that 5? That's maybe 4, right? All SSH accessible, all running AI models, all coordinated in one hub, total cost inference 0. The electricity bill went up a little bit, but the models themselves are free and open source. Now, I still say that to say that I do run things like Kimi, I love Kimi, Moonshoot's Kimi 2.5, and then I also utilize the brain of Kai through Opus 4.6. Now, with that said, some of the things that I've built, for instance, is like this thing called Eyes of Kai, which pretty much is an ambient AI system with real-time vision and audio. And these are things that I would actually love to show you guys. I kind of just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing and wanted to see if this is the type of content you would want to see moving forward from a tech side. Now, we still will be doing things technical as far as new iPhones, new gaming, new PC, all those type of setups. But I also would love to start sharing with you the things that I actually built myself and things I built alongside with my AI team. And one of them, as I stated before, is the Eyes of Kai. It's pretty dope. It's something that I would show you guys in a further video. This one is kind of just me, I guess, just breaking everything down. With that said, I know some of y'all may be thinking that AI is taking people's jobs, and I get the concern, I really do. But that's not what necessarily this is and how I particularly operate. I'm not replacing anybody. I didn't fire a team or hire a team of robots. I'm a one-man operation as is, and I've been doing that for the past 14 years. Now, I do have editing sometimes here and there and people that have help with cameras and shooting, but it's basically been me, a camera and an editing timeline. What AI has done for me is given me the capabilities I never had before, and I never had a research team. I never had a social media manager. I never had an assistant reading my emails, organizing my schedule. Now I do. And the cost of me basically doing that is nothing because most of it runs locally on hardware I already own. All about this stuff, AI agents, local model automation, the real practical, Openclaw itself. Here's how I actually use this type of content, not this theory, not this hype, real builds, real results. And I'm also going to keep doing, the tech reviews, anything that you guys want to see as far as laptops, gadgets, hardware, that's not going anywhere whatsoever. I just really have been invested in this to the point where it's crazy, guys. I've been invested in this almost more than my sneakers and guns right now. It's just, I don't know, something about creating, and you're able to create things with the AI. AI gives you like access to things that you never just thought you could. And I want to share that with you guys. I want to share that with y'all, and I want to help some of y'all. I think this can help some people out there. There's things that I have been able to do with AI that I've just never been able to do before, and AI has just given me the ability, and it can do the same for you. You could build your own website. I mean, I could build my own website too, but you could build your own website through Wix or through some other sort of portal. But no, like I'm building sites and dashboards, and I'm able to, I've been able to learn coding through this as well. It's taught me coding. So there's so many things that it can help you with and help people with. And this is the future, regardless if you like it or not. This is how it's gonna be. So don't think of this as like something that's like replacing jobs or AI slop or the AI slop videos you see on TikTok and Twitter. No, we're talking about real business type of ordeal, right? Somebody that you can wake up to and have your emails taken care of or read, or everything coming to you when a certain alert comes through. I have so many things. Basically, AI has become a second brain to me. And there's definitely always gonna be risk, I understand that, but it's all about how you structure things, what you give your AI, what you don't give it, and your safety nets. It's all about that at the end of the day. But right now, what we got going on, I'm able to be here talking to you and then also be able to have things being taken care of as well. Because all life is about, in my opinion, well, there's bigger things in life, of course, but when it comes to being in the business world, it's about efficiency. Efficiency and being able to be in multiple places at once. And sometimes it's impossible to do that physically, but with AI, you can do it virtually, in some shape or form. So I know it's a lot. I'm here. I'm very excited for this, and I hope to be there. If there's any questions, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos about Openclaw a lot and showing you guys stuff on the computer as well. I'm just here talking to you guys right now, and we're going to be doing tech stuff. Don't worry about that. Just gotta go buy some new tech shit. Graphics cards are expensive, boy, but please look into Openclaw. Go look it up. Go look up Openclaw. Go look up Hermes. Go look up Claude Code. Go look up any of those things. And if you want to start talking more about that, let's get it set up. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That will help me make the next video for y'all out there. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all as always. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.